Hello. I'm back again at Burlington. Let's quickly get started. Thank you so much for your time. If you like my type of video, consider giving me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. By giving me a thumbs up, you are letting YouTube know that you enjoy my video, and that will make YouTube to push my videos to a wider audience. Thank you so much. Look at this two-piece set. Is this priced together? For $17.99. It's a good deal. $17.99. You heard me right. Look, and this feels heavy. It's thick, and also with clean finish. Look what I'm looking at here. These don't look cheap. $17.99. Wait a minute. It's a good one. Buy this one, okay? And let's see. I am looking at another two-piece set. Look at this. Alright? Yeah, this looks expensive and it's well made. Okay. Clean stitches, wide leg pant. I wish this is super wide. I would have jumped in. I love the combo. Interesting. The pant is not lined, which is always the problem for $24.99. Interesting. Yeah, it's a good two-piece set. And okay, here we have these two-piece set. This is a very interesting print. This is not the best quality, but the style is good. Okay, let me see. This one is $24.99. The first two I showed are well made. Okay, here we have this tea by CK for just $12.99, and also the same price. Okay, and behind we have this very plain one for $12.99, and here we have this sleeveless look for $11.99. Here we have this high-rise slim straight jeans, nicely washed for $24.99 by this brand. Okay, this brand, they make very good jeans. Okay, look at that, very good. It looks really expensive as well. And here we are looking at this. I think you can escape with this particular shade of blue. Okay, and the style is given 2025 as well. I like it. Okay, with two deep front pocket. This jeans was $98. For today you get it for $24.99. Interesting. Okay, and it feels so heavy. Alright, it looks dusty, kind of. Yeah, don't really look. Yeah, it's okay. Let's keep going. If you are interested, it's available in the store. Okay, and here we are looking at this graphics tee in color black for, this was $59 by Anna Clean. Today you get it for $14.99. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, please give me a thumbs up. Please. Thank you so much. This one is $12.99. Okay, it's available in size large, medium, and small. Look at this very clean, simple one. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess they are very good. $12.99. And here we have this neutral shade, and this one is also $12.99. And here we have this sleeveless top for just $8.99. Interesting. And here we have these two sets actually. This is 2-in-1 turtleneck for $9.99. Okay, here we are looking at this one in size 10p. Yeah, this is petite for $14.99. Let me come close. Not lined, of course. I don't know why. It's always like that. It's always, I don't know why. Line your pants. Come on. Oh, look at this color. This is giving everything it should be. Alright, and it's wide leg, well tailored, but it's not lined. For just $12.99. By this brand, I don't know. They don't line their pieces, and that is just the downside of it. Okay, to our next one, we are looking at this. This is beginning to come out. Shorts. Alright, I love the length. For $14.99 by this brand. Let me check to see. Okay, this is in size 8. Okay, $14.99. Okay, and here we have another tee. Oh, guess they are pretty good. $14.99. Let's see what Kevin can have for us here. So you can have this very cute one. Alright, and this one is $16.99. And Tommy also have something for us here. Alright, for $12.99. Okay, if you're enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up. I need a thumbs up, please. Thank you so much. Look what we got here. Very colorful for $14.99 at it. Okay, and beside is this bodysuit in clean white for just $6.99. It's a good deal. Okay, to our next rack, see what we got here. Of course, this, you are gonna see this. Lots of this this year. Look what we got here for $14.99. Denim on denim is still gonna, you will see much of it this season, this year generally. Look at this. Okay, interesting. And here we have these denim coats for $24.99. Okay, I like the cape. Look, I like how wide it is. They are generous there. Okay, and let's keep going. Here we have this open light sweater for $14.99. And here we have this coat. I don't think we should be covering this now, but it's out. Let's see. You can get this and keep it for next 2 seasons. Okay, look at this for $29.99. Interesting. It feels heavy. Okay, let's keep going. Here we have this very interesting feminine top for just $9.99. This looks really expensive. Let me bring this close. See, look at the stitches, neatly made for just $9.99. Hello, this is interesting. It's interesting. And here we have this nicely beaded one. Look at this one. For just, what is happening in this top? $9.99. $9.99. That's what I'm talking about. If you are looking for very good tops at affordable rates, good quality, come to Burlington. Yeah, you don't drag that with them. This one is by H&M for just $4.99. It's a good one in size small. Look at that, neatly made. Okay, and here we have another one. Look at this for just $9.99. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, share, 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 share. All right. Thank you so much for your support. And until next time, bye for now.